Hello champions, Chef George here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. We're doing another reveal. As you can see, it says we're doing Phil birthday cake reveal, right? As you know, I sent out a link earlier today wishing my little baby brother happy birthday. Today's his birthday. As you can see, we got the cake here that we made. It's a vegan 3-layer carrot cake, as you can see that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sing happy birthday.
Jeff Greenblatt is watching.
Jeff, what's up, brother? We're gonna sing happy birthday to Phil, and then we're gonna cut the cake. And I don't mean a average white man, but we're gonna cut the cake, and then we're gonna let him enjoy, let him sample it, and he's gonna give us his what he likes best about it. So ready? Here we go. Ready?
Happy birthday, 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 happy birthday.
Phil, happy birthday, brother.
Yeah.
Woo. Fired up. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this cake. It's a 3-layer. It's a 3-layer carrot cake. So you get hurt. You get hurt if you don't eat this right. Lord have mercy. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on here like this. D-I-S. This.
Not T-H-I-S, but D-I-S.
Yeah. Come on out of there.
Oh, yeah.
See that? Look at that. Look at that. Look.
That's perfect. Nice.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Thank you.
Y'all see that? Can y'all see that?
Look at that. That's yummy fine.
So I'm gonna go ahead and cut another slice.
Chloe Mission is watching.
Chloe,
There you go. Yeah, right over here.
welcome. We're doing a little birthday celebration for Phil. Look at that. That's a vegan 3-layer. Look at that. 3-layer carrot cake.
Wow, that was good.
All right, hold on.
She says happy birthday. by the
Thank
way.
you. Thank you.
All right,
Appreciate
so
it.
all right, so we're gonna go ahead and let him sample that.
Cake look great, George.
Thank you, thank you.
That's look great.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Mm.
Hmm?
Mm-mm.
Go ahead, man. It's your cake.
Oh, yeah, some cake.
It's quiet. It's quiet. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
It's moist. It's very moist. It's very filling. It's the texture is right on point. Everything's just well put together. The frosting, not too sweet, just right. It's awesome.
Look at that. 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 Look.
Mm-hmm.
So it's got carrots in it. It's got raisins in it. It's got some nuts in it.
Great stuff.
Completely plant-based. Look at that. Look. Completely plant-based. Look at that. Look at that.
The texture's perfect.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try some. A few minutes ago, we did the taste test of the vegan cheesecake. If you guys missed it, go back and watch it. That's the vegan cheesecake. We did a taste test on that.
This is off the chain. This cake's off the chain. I'm telling you. It's awesome, man. Thank you. This is great.
Yeah,
Rhea is watching that.
Rhea, welcome back. Now we're revealing my brother Phil's 3-layer vegan carrot cake. As you can see, look at that. See that? Y'all see that? Am I in the right spot?
Yes, you are. Perfect spot.
Look at that. Look at that. Moist. You see the carrots in there.
Oh, man, this is awesome.
Looks delicious.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. This is what's up.
Them raisins, man, spot on. This stuff is awesome. The texture's perfect.
See that?
To a T.
Yeah, see that? 'Cause I can't eat no more. 'Cause I already had a piece of cheesecake.
Aunt Dita's watching.
Aunt Dita, look what I made for Uncle Phil.
Here we go.
3-layer. Man, that's good. A 3-layer vegan carrot cake. Look at that. Look at that, Aunt Dita. Yeah. Sauce. I can't eat no more. So I already, and Aunt Dita, look what I did too. I made a vegan vegan cheesecake with tofu and with sunflower seeds. Go back and watch that video because that one was like insane. I can't eat no more because I didn't dip my sweets for today. But you guys can see how long and strong this is. See that?
Very strong.
Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. You see it? Even the dogs are wagging their tail. You ain't getting none though because it's got nuts in it. Well, you can have nuts, but you can't have raisins.
No, not good for the baby's cake.
All right, guys, so what do you like best about the cake, Phil?
The texture, the raisins is great. I mean, everything is just tightly put together. I mean, the frosting not too sweet. It melts in your mouth. It's not all out of whack. Stuff is awesome. It's very,
Look at the frosting. Look at the frosting.
the frosting. It's
Look at the
not,
frosting.
it's not sweet. It's awesome.
It's awesome.
Nuts got the raisins in everything. All the ingredients blended really nice.
This cat over here. Uh-oh.
It is absolutely, absolutely phenomenal stuff.
All right, so there you have it.
Like Guy Fieri said, it's righteous.
There you have it.
This is awesome, man.
The amazing 3-layer vegan carrot cake. Man, I can't even tell you how. Look at that. 3 layers, bro. 3 layers. Look at that. Bam, bam. So, guys, once again, make sure you give a shout out to my brother Phil. His birthday's today. We're keeping social distancing, okay? Got the right social distancing. Say happy birthday to Phil. You guys are awesome. And tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a special offer that's going to piggyback off of Phil's birthday, where you have an opportunity to grab a hold of George's All-Purpose Rub, because we actually launched George's All-Purpose Rub a year ago today. Right over there. There you go, bam, bam, bam. We actually launched this a year ago, George's All-Purpose Rub, where you can put it on everything. George's All-Purpose Rub is amazing. You can put it on all kinds of stuff. Chicken, fish, pork, lamb, beef, veggies, everything. So inquire about, I'm going to be doing a special offer tomorrow on this, so be looking out for that. So inquire about that. You can go to www.sauceme.com, put your name and email in, you get 7 free recipes, plus you'll be tied into the World of Georgia live cooking show and all of our amazing recipes. You guys are awesome. So I want to thank Rhea, I want to thank, who else was on there?
Chloe.
Chloe.
And Aunt Dita,
And
yeah.
I did it. Thank you guys for watching live. Once again, make sure you give a shout out to my brother Phil. Today's his birthday. He's 53 years young today, which is awesome. We got the social distancing going on. We're fired up. We're excited. Guys, man, let me tell you something. This piece of I keep going cheesecake. This piece of cake, my son's gonna devour. So it's all good. He's gonna devour the rest of it. So, guys, we love you guys. God bless you guys. Until next time, Chef George out. Fired up.